Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to print an Excel sheet with rows and column. Okay. Step 1. Go to page layout, select margins and customs margins. Sheet, select rows and add column. Okay. Now are you added this outside rows and outside column as you wish. Example, I select this outside rows and column, or you remove this outside inside column and inside rows as you wish. Okay. Example, I added this. Okay. Now print. Now we can see this page on added this rows and column. Page 2 added rows and column. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.